here's the yard equipment. We got the Agway with a 12.5 IC commercial engine, or industrial commercial engine. Briggs, it's in, Agway. It's got a 7-speed tranny with a forward, neutral, reverse, your clutch, and the mower engagement. But the thing with this is if you're kind of just riding around, can't really see, but just falls down kind of easy. Worthless. It's worn down, and this thing's kind of cheap. And look, every time I turn, you can see the hood moves. It's a real nice mower. Crappy engine. Oops. Crappy engine, but nice mower. It's a Cub Cadet SRC61 with a Kawasaki. Again, well, this one doesn't really have horsepower either. Oops. The thing I like about this, the only thing I really hate about it is the engine. It's garbage. It's got you drive here, you press this down to go, and it's got your 6 speeds. And the wheels in the front that actually turn, so you don't have to lift it up. It's real cool, this thing is. That's real nice. And then this is a real nice snowblower. By the way, none of these are actually mine. They're my aunt's. It's a Troy belt. Storm 2110. With a 24-inch. This is also got a 6-speed forward and 2 in reverse. And then engagements for whatever, the drive and the blower, or whatever the hell. It's got, this one has, not sure, it's overhead valve. Not sure what engine it is. Here's the electric start. She doesn't have a battery for it. Yeah, I don't know what the heck. Well, there's a throttle here. Primer. Oops. What's this? A key or something. And this. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, it's pretty nice. 24 inches is plenty big. That's the yard equipment. The Troy belt, the Cub Cadet, or the, let's see, the unknown powered Troy belt, Kawasaki powered Cub Cadet, and the Briggs powered Agway.